Hey everyone, so I just want to go through today's price action. I just want to show you how I look at markets price action and what is going on today and then overall in the option space and the equities and bond space. So this is what I have in my chart section. I have a moving average. You can copy this, do whatever you want to do with it, but there's no secrets here. I just pulled up a study from Thinkorswim. So this is what I have. Probability of expiring cone. Now, if you want to bring that in, you can bring that in. This gives us a one standard deviation move every 30 days from now, based on volatility, based on everything else. That's what this number is for. So the way I look at this chart is I'm in the 30 year bond market right now, and I think this is the most interesting chart today because the market is at the bottom. If I were to take a trade, I would take a trade in this market, which is the 30-day bond market, and I would sell a put spread because look at the support level here. It's basically at its support level. The lowest has been 110, and it's currently trading at 111 something. So it's currently trading at 111.21. So each tick, remember, each tick is $15.625. You don't need to get into that. But this is how I look at the price action and I analyze the market. So I have this chart up from here, 30 days out. Now, if you can read these red lines, these red dotted lines, which come up whenever you add these charts here. These dotted lines are basically 30 days out. So they expire on the third Friday of each month. These are 30 days out. So 16th of April, 16th of May, and then there's 20th of June, and then so on and so forth. So if I were to take a trade, let's look at, so what this chart is saying is like in the next 30 days from now, well, in the next 45 days, so like from here till the end of the June cycle, the expected move is up to 113, and then on the low side it's up to 110. Okay, so now what if I were to take a trade this far out, I would try to cover the low end because I'm selling the put side. So I don't want the underlying ticker to move too much towards my short put strike. So let's take a look at the options, and then from now till the end of the July cycle, the expected underlying is expected to move up to 115 and then down to 109. So on the downside, look, it stays around 109. That's the good part, which tells me that the risk is on the upside. The market is expecting this ticker to move, the 30-day bond market to move on the upside. See, on the upside, it keeps moving up. On the low side, it's basically flat. You look at the levels here, it's 109, 109, 109 handle, right? 109.11, 109.05. The volatility has been juiced up here. It's down to like not its lows yet, but it is still higher than its normal levels, or it was a little bit, up until yesterday or something. But because the market is up today, the volatility is down. But this was the best part to sell the put spread end of April, or beginning of May 5th, May 6th would have been a good time to sell this. But anyway, today the market is up 14 ticks and it's up 39 basis points. So if I were to take a trade, let's take a look at the expiration cycle first of all. So my favorite one is always the monthly cycles. They always have like a good monthly cycles here. So 63 days out is the next monthly, and I have a 28-day cycle available. So I don't want to go out 63 days because that's too far of a too long of a duration. I don't want that duration in my portfolio right now because you have to diversify your portfolio based on duration, your underlying tickers, volatility, expiration cycles, and days to expiration and all that kind of stuff. So I will take a trade in 28 days, and this is my real trading account. So I would try and put this order in, see if I get filled. I would sell a vertical, right? One contract only. I'm not layering up here at all, and try to get 12 ticks out of it. So usually I go in with my own limit price, and then I would leave the trade in there to see if it gets filled. If it doesn't, that's fine. I'm not going to chase the trade here because the market is already up 42 basis points. Look at this. It needs to come down a little bit to hit my target, to hit my limit price. So if I do confirm and send on this, let me show you the delta first. So I'm taking 22 delta. Let's analyze this trade first. Sorry, I forgot that part. So that's important as well. Always analyze this trade. And look, it looks like I was trying to analyze it before at 13 ticks. Now I'm trying to get 12. So what we need to do here is change the break-even cycle, change the break-even date to match our break-even date, which is 28 days out on 621. Make sure this date is 621. This number looks a little off. It's like 98%. That cannot be right. Okay, now it's trading at 10 ticks. That's probably why. So let's take a look at this number looks like it should have been around 80-85%. Anyway, I'm taking some positive delta. There's a lot of positive delta here, meaning I'm expecting the market to go up a little bit from here. Here's one thing I don't like about trading shorter duration is because you get a lot of gamma. Now look, I'm getting a lot of short gamma, so now this one throws me off a little bit, but there's still a little bit theta in there, some short vega, and I'm trying to collect. The trade is the spread is trading at 11 ticks. I'm going to try and collect 12, so therefore my current P&L, my going in P&L is 15.625, which is 15.64, because I'm trying to collect an extra tick. Now I would sell it at 12 ticks, and I'll probably buy it back at 9 or 8. I don't want to be in this trade for too long or too much, and let's see if he get filled. So let's do confirm and send here. $378 is what we will be charged, or that will be a buying power effect. 187 is the total we are collecting, minus 450 for the two legs, the long and the short, and then 174 is the exchange fee. So that's what we have to pay. Total net profit is 181. If you hover over here, that's 187 minus the commission. You can also exclude commission or include commission, and then you'll see the exact same thing here. So if you hover over here, that includes commission. Well, that did not change anything. Oh, so the commission part is changing on the bottom. That's weird. No, it's not changing anything. I think I need to reset this. But yeah, that's one of the ways to look at the chart. If you want to include commission or exclude it, and I'm going to keep it excluded because that's how I've always been, because the commissions become a separate part of my portfolio. And I'm going to try and collect this spread if it gets filled. Let's put this one in. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I wanted to take you over to the if you do like my content, please subscribe to the channel. It helps me build up momentum and get some more feedback. On the other side, I'm running a 5-day trading challenge. Now, the reason I don't do any, I could have put everything, you know, in a course, like a 10-hour long, 12-hour long video, and you would have sat on those videos for 3 years. I know that because I've done that. I've done the same thing. You would have watched 13 minutes of video every quarter or something, you know, some diabolical number. And I don't want to do that because that will just delay your starting step, or it will delay your progress or learning or growth or advancement in this strategy or in this industry. What you actually want is somebody to tell you, hold your hand and tell you exactly how to do it and when to do it and what to do it. So therefore, these 5 days, now I'm not guaranteeing you that you will become the best trader in the 5-day challenge here, but what this will give you is like the stepping stone or the foundation to like build something on. We will go through all of this. I have everything built out here. I will put the show notes. I will put the link in the show notes. Take a look. We will put a strategy on or a trade on every single day. I will show you the theory behind it, then the practical and the actual clicking the buttons thing, like which one to click. And how to put the trades on and how to manage. That's the most important thing. When trades go wrong, how to manage. And you will join the community. I have a Discord community with all the traders in there, so you will join that. And then if you don't like anything, just email me. There's a you know, an open book kind of return policy. If you don't like anything, you show up for all the sessions and you still don't think that you got the value out of it, then just let me know and I'll refund your money. So take a look at this. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.